In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 mistakes that investors make when they get started. I'm totally going to skip my entire spiel on why mistakes are bad and all that. I'm just going to get into the top 5 because I got a car full of stuff and I got to bring it home. Number 1, not understanding the investment. When people don't do their research on the companies that they're investing in and they don't know like what limits to set at, buy and sell. These are the things you need to know absolutely everything about a company before you click that buy button. Before you make a trade, make sure you know this company front to back as if it were your own child. That snowballs into my second point. Do not fall in love with a company. I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, this is the greatest revolution of all time. I know it's going to make $1 billion until it starts generating revenue and has a proven balance sheet where the profit and loss is like really, really strong. You don't want to fall in love with a company based on their product alone. You don't know who's running it. You don't know who's operating it. You don't know what kind of employees they have. You don't know what kind of customer service they have. They could be the greatest idea ever, but unless the execution is there, companies fail 99% of the time. That's why there's only a few gigantic brands, because everybody tries and most people fail. So don't fall in love with your investment. Don't fall in love with the company. Just look at numbers. Numbers, it's math. It's literally math. If the numbers make sense, it's a good investment. Number 3 on my list is lack of patience. A lot of people see in the movies when dudes are day trading and they're making hundreds of millions of dollars like per week. Stop it. That only happens in the movies, or it only happens with people that have been in the finance and stock exchange industry for years. They know analysis like the back of their hand. And if you want to jump in day one and make a trade because you're going to be an awesome day trader, you've got a lot of hurt coming towards your way. Like, you're going to lose everything if you don't have patience. You need to research these companies. You need to ghost trade that company before you actually risk your own money on it. So be patient. My recommendation is always buying a position and holding it until you retire. That way, all the ups and downs along the way aren't as devastating, because if you buy here and sell here, you made a profit. But these things cause a lot of anxiety and fear. So most people, their stock goes up and then it dips down and they sell. Like, the fear and lack of patience will really, really be devastating to your bank account. Number 4 on my list is too much investment turnover. If you are taking your positions, buying them and selling them and buying them and selling them, you're paying commissions on each trade, you're losing money because of taxes, whereas if you hold it long, you pay less taxes. So these like up and down fluctuations, they need to be massive fluctuations for you to click that sell button to profit off of it, because you got to pay the commissions, you got to pay the tax on it, and you're going to end up getting a 10% margin, on the 100% profit that you got. So be wary. Don't make too many trades. Like, turnover is a bad thing. And number 5, which should be number 1, attempting to be Nostradamus and assuming what the market is going to do. This is the absolute biggest bullcocky on planet Earth. You are not a fortune teller. You do not have a crystal ball. There's none of your Uncle Steve doesn't know that, this company is going to go up 100% this week. Don't try to attempt to time the market. You're not going to get it at the very bottom, and you're not going to get it at the very top. It is literally like that precision is physically impossible in the market unless it's dumb luck and it happens one time. Honestly, just watch the numbers. Look at the charts. Know the company. Know the profit and loss. Know the news. Like, if a product is doing bad for that company, you're going to see a slump. News, statistics, and math. These are the things that drive stocks and the entire market. So do your research. Don't make these stupid mistakes. There's 50 million more mistakes that you could make, but just try to stay away from these while you're starting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you aren't already. I know you. Subscribe. Just do it. And I'll see you in the next one.